how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. It's time for another 3 looks 1 palette video. This week I played with the Feral palette from Menagerie Cosmetics. It looks like this. Oh, I love it so much. I love this color story. I love the shadows. They perform so beautifully. The pigment is there. Oh, I could go on and on and on about this palette. Today's video is also a collab with one of my friends here on YouTube. Her channel is Annette's Makeup Corner. If you're not subscribed to her already, you need to subscribe to her. She creates such cool content. She does lots of 3 looks 1 palette videos just like I do. She does lots of first impressions. She does lots of kind of chit-chatty makeup videos just relating to what she likes and doesn't like about certain products. I love her channel so much and I know you guys will as well, so please go check her out and tell her I sent you. As you saw from the intro, I did this cool look right here where I mixed a bunch of shades together to make this unique color. I did that really pretty pinky purple halo eye, and then I did that really cool yellow cut crease. If you want to watch me create these looks, then just keep watching. Starting off this look with Alpha, I'm going to be taking that and basically just packing that in the outer corner and lightly dragging it through the crease. I also want a little bit of a heavy focus right in that front corner of the eye, but throughout the crease I don't want it to be as heavy. I'm just taking my time laying down this pigment the way I want it to, and then once it's laid down I will be blending it out with another shade. I'm going to take the shade Mariposa and I'm just blending that right above what we just did. And I'm kind of starting in the front because I really want that inner corner to be very blown out and grungy, and I will be carrying it through the rest of the crease and blowing it out in the outer crease as well. I'm just packing a little bit more of that Alpha shade in the outer corner because I really want that outer corner to be nice and deep, and just continuing to go back and blend it out. Next I'm taking Canis Lupus and I'm going to be blending that right above the orange shade just to create a nice soft diffused look. And then I'm actually going to add a little bit more orange just to keep that pop going. There's a lot of back and forth with this look, but it always ends up coming together. Next I'm taking my Colourpop White No Filter Concealer that I didn't show you, and I'm just doing a half cut crease, just taking it right above my natural crease and stopping it right where those shades really begin to deepen in the outer corner. Next I'm taking the shade Night Eyes and I'm just packing this all over the lid, just taking my time and laying that pigment down, and then I'm going to end up switching to a smaller brush to really get in that crevice of my crease. And I mean, there's not really much to it. I'm just taking my time laying down this yellow so it's as pigmented as possible. Super exciting stuff going on. While we're here, what do you guys want to talk about? How was your day? What's new? I'm just re-intensifying that outer corner, and then I'm just going back and forth between the different brushes to blend out that edge between the yellow and darker brown. Just doing lots of patting motions. Next I'm taking the shade Ivy and I'm smoking that out heavily on the lower lash line. I love this shade so much, but I'm just going all the way from inner to outer corner with this shade. Next I'm taking Fenris. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but everyone said I said it right the first time, but I'm just smoking that out with one of those brushes I used earlier that didn't have much product on it. And then I'm packing some more of that yellow in the inner corner, and I didn't feel like wearing lashes that day, so I'm taking my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara and my Dose of Colors Truffle Liquid Lipstick, and that'll be it for this look. Starting off this second look with Allium, if I'm saying that correctly, I'm just packing this heavily in the inner and outer corner. This is going to end up being a halo eye, so I'm just packing it in the inner and outer corner and just running it through the crease. I'm just taking my time to make sure I have as much pigment as I want laid down. Nothing really too crazy here. I'm just getting it laid down where I want it. And then I'm also going to be dragging that all underneath the lower lash line as well. Next I'm taking Wisteria and I'm just going to be blending that shade directly above what we just did. Just taking my time doing small swirling motions with a very light hand, just going back and forth, dipping in whenever I need to, and just slightly blending right above that purple just to create a nice soft seamless blend with a pretty halo effect all across the crease and lower lash line area. And then I will be going back through to intensify the purple in the lower lash line. Next, with my Colourpop White No Filter Concealer that I failed to show you, I'm doing a full cut crease, but I'm taking this just from the lid portion. I'm not winging it out or anything. I just want this to be very round and following the shape of my lid, just going slightly above my natural crease. Next, I'm taking some more of that purple and I'm just heavily packing that in the outer corner and inner corner of the eyeball. And I'm going at it at kind of a V-like shape as well. You'll notice with the shape in the center, it's going to start to look like a V. Next, I'm going to grab some more Wisteria. Even though this part is really pointless, you don't have to do this part, but I'm kind of just blending it right between the concealer and that purple shade. Again, keeping that V-like shape in the mix, but this part really is optional. And then I'm just blending some more of that purple to keep that blend going. Now I'm going to take the shade Pack Leader, and I'm going to be packing that all over the center of the lid, following that V-like shape. And here's where you'll see that that pink really doesn't make a huge difference that we just laid down. You could easily just blend this shade into the purple, no problem. But I'm just laying it down and going back with the purple to blend and soften things up. Next, I'm taking Night Eyes and I'm packing that in the inner corner. Nothing too crazy, just wanted a little pop of yellow. And then for lashes, I'm taking my Bold Face Makeup Mega Babe lashes and my Colourpop Alyssa Ultra Satin Lip. I'm just popping it on, and that'll be it for this look. For this third look, I'm starting by mixing Allium and Ivy together and packing that all over the lid. I mixed these shadows together just by taking my brush and dipping back and forth in between them. I just kind of played around with it until it was the right tone I wanted. I feel like you guys can see that I was kind of going for a tone that matched my hair, and I think I pulled it off really nicely. I like mixing shades and palettes because it just creates even more possibilities with looks. I'm also dragging this underneath the lower lash line, and then I'm going to be creating a wing-like shape with this shadow as well. You can kind of see what I'm doing, but I'm basically just drawing a wing, but with the shadows. I like creating this kind of shape because it really elongates the eye, and then you don't necessarily have to do a wing liner to get that kind of shape. Then I'm just taking a clean blending brush and just blending and softening out that edge, just taking my time, using small, light-handed motions, and just blending in the crease and the lower lash line. Super revolutionary. Next, I'm taking Wisteria, and I'm just going to be using small motions with a small blending brush and blending right above that little shape we just created. I wanted this little pop of pink, and I thought it was really, really cute with this look, actually. Just taking my time, following the shape, you know how it goes. Just taking it all in the crease and the lower lash line. Just put on your patient pants, listen to some music, watch a show, and eventually you'll get there. And then I'm just going back and forth with the blending brush we were just using to soften even more. And then re-intensifying the main color where I need to, just going back and forth with the brushes, you know? Then I'm taking Night Eyes and highlighting my inner corner with that. I love the pop of yellow with all these looks. And then for lashes, taking my Rouge and Rogue Slayer lashes and my Jeffree Star Mermaid Blood liquid lipstick, and I'm mixing that with Jeffree Star's Medusa liquid lipstick. I just popped Mermaid Blood on in the center, and then I just kind of feathered Medusa everywhere else and blended it together. Nothing too crazy precise, honestly. That's it. Those are my looks. What did you think? Which look was your favorite? I feel like my favorite was that pinky purple halo eye situation. I felt really pretty in it, but I felt really pretty in all of these looks. Let me know which look was your favorite. Do you guys have this palette? Are you planning on getting it? I want to chat about it. It's truly so good. This does not disappoint. Between this and the Dragon Child palette, this brand is just one of my favorites. I can't wait to see what they come out with in the future. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.